In this video, I'll show you how you can stop Steam from updating your game. Now, first is you're going to open up your Steam. From in here, go to Library, select the game that you want to choose. It says this game. You're going to right click on it. From in here, select Properties. Now, once you're in here, you'll be able to see on the left hand side, there's an Updates button. Go in here. And as you're in here, you'll see the automatic updates. Click on it and make sure you choose only update this game when I launch it. Now you can also have the background downloads. You can choose this as you want. You can allow it or you can choose it to not do it. It's basically if you're in the game, if Steam can download other things while you're still playing this game. But make sure you choose only update this game when I launch it, to make sure it will not automatically update. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.